Okay, I know that intro wasn't the best scenario, but yeah, that's how AirTags work. It's a straightforward product that Apple made to help Apple users find things they usually misplace or lose a lot. For example, your keys. And it's from Apple, it's very Apple-y, so it fits right within that ecosystem. The unboxing experience was really simple. It came in this square box, and then once you open the box up, you get a couple paperwork, nothing too serious, and then when you unfold the box, you find the AirTag just chilling in the middle, and on the other two folds you'll find instructions on how to pair and also how to use your AirTag if you have no clue. But you could just watch this video and I'll get you right. The setup process was also super simple. Once I removed the plastic from the AirTag, there's this brief chime to let me know it's ready to go. My iPhone recognized it immediately, and then from there you could choose what category you want to name your AirTag, or even you can make a custom name. And finally, I linked my Apple ID, which is displayed under the items tab, and now I'm ready to lose stuff. Unfortunately, you can't pair AirTags with Android, but Android users can still help Apple users find a lost AirTag simply by using their NFC technology. As you could probably tell, there's no holes on the AirTag, so it's just a very small circular coin shaped device. So basically, I'm saying this because you can't directly attach a key ring to the AirTag, which kind of sucks. So you have to buy either Apple's AirTag loop holders from third-party manufacturers like Belkin or Spigen, and I'm sure more third-party sellers will be offering some sort of AirTag holder in the future. So yeah, AirTags cost $29, but it's basically useless without the keychain or any loop accessory, which will cost you another $30 or so on top of that. And this right here is Apple's product red leather AirTag loop case, which will run you 39 Canadian dollars. It looks really nice though. It's a nice bright red, and it also feels very premium. I did attach it to my keychain, but this one is actually meant for like luggages or backpack straps, but I wanted to put it on my keychain since my keychain holder didn't reach as yet. Okay, so the Find My app houses all the functions. Tapping AirTag from the item list in the Find My app brings up various options, including the options to play sound. It's not super loud like tile trackers, but it's loud enough that I could hear it from under a pile of cushions or deep down in my backpack, say for example. But that's not a big deal since AirTags also has precision tracking, which is like really what sets it apart from all the other Bluetooth trackers out there. And this is designed to speed up the searching process for AirTags, and also along with the lost mode, which is designed to help you locate an item you think is really lost. So this is how precision tracking works. Inside the Find My app, you can see we have a couple options we could use. We could play sound, or if you think you can't even hear it when you play the sound, you could go to Find. Then it will tell you if it's nearby or not. So if it's within the Bluetooth range, which I'm not sure, I think it's like 40 meters, not 100% sure, but you can see I could start walking around, then it shows me an arrow. So hey, okay, it says 1.2 meters ahead, and then the phone is like vibrating when it's like you're playing hot and cold. And when I reach, it just gives this nice haptic feedback, and the AirTag is right there with my keys. So yeah, precision tracking for the win. Okay, so the precision tracking is cool and all, but what if your AirTags is out of the Bluetooth range? What would you do? And that's when you really need to enable lost mode. And this is how it works. Whenever the lost mode is enabled, you'll be able to receive notification when your AirTag gets pinged, and you can also leave a number or a message for the kind person who finds your AirTag and wants to return it, hopefully, all thanks to the crowd GPS feature. So how this works is that anyone that has an iPhone that passes by your lost keys or bag will ping you an updated address without them knowing. So everything is end-to-end data encryption, so even though you're unknowingly helping me to find my lost items, I can't see your location or who is helping me. And if you're still feeling uncomfortable about how it works, you can opt out of that. Opt out of helping others find their missing items by choosing not to have your device participate in the Find My network by going to your settings, your name, Find My, and then tapping to disable Find My network, which like why would you do that? But you can. So yeah, props to Apple. So privacy, yeah, that leads on to privacy. And privacy issues is like one of the top, privacy and stalking is one of the top concerns about AirTags. It's at the all-time high right now. So Apple knows a lot of these concerns are being thrown out there, and Apple is stressing that AirTag uses encrypted network, and Apple or any other third parties can't really read their location whenever anything has been pinged or tapped into. So the question is like, Shevon, what if someone slips an AirTag in my bag or my car? Wouldn't they be able to track or stalk me? Well, yes, but Apple, as I said before, kind of thought about that as well. So AirTag has some sort of anti-stalker functionality built into it, not the official name. So basically, that's if it's mirroring someone else's movements and away from the owner of the AirTag for a certain period of time, it would actually notify the person that is being tracked and ask them, hey, you want to deactivate the device, right? So basically, now that kind of defeats the purpose, or some people would say it defeats the purpose. For example, say I put my AirTag on my bike, for example, and then someone comes to steal my bike and they get the notification, hey, this AirTag is following you. They would just look for the AirTag and deactivate it or play the sound or whatever it's called. So yeah, it's kind of give and take, but remember, the AirTag isn't an anti-theft device. It's just a simple device made to find your lost items, not really your stolen ones. But what if that thief had an Android device, for example? Will they still be notified? And yes, because of Bluetooth and NFC, for a period of time it will start ringing. It won't like send them a message, it would start just beeping, you know what I mean? So if you're an Apple user, you get a message notifying you, and if you aren't, you get a beeping noise for the Android users, just to make the presence known. So what I was thinking is, what if they took out the speakers? Because obviously a speaker is built into it. I'm not sure if it's easy to get to, but what if someone took out the speaker, then placed it on an Android user and started to track them? The Android user wouldn't really know because there won't be any beeping sound. So what would they do? I don't know. That's a good question. I don't know. But to be fair, guys, Apple addressed most of these concerns in their keynote, in press releases, on news forums and everything. And I think they're working really closely to make sure everyone's privacy is secure. And as I said before, some people would complain that the AirTags are trash because, say for example, you have like you want to use the AirTag as an additional protection against theft, as I said before, for your bike. And if the thief has an iPhone, they'll be immediately notified. But at the end of the day, I think people are really missing the point of AirTags. It's made mainly for lost or misplaced items, not stolen ones. The question is, how often do we lose an item versus an item being stolen? Yes, we can use it to try and track stolen items, but that's not the main reason AirTags were made for. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like down below, subscribe for more content like this, road to 100K. As always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.